Hello and welcome. What if I told you that the key to transforming your life lies in the words you speak to yourself every single day? Affirmations are more than just positive statements. They are a reflection of your inner world. When you repeat affirmations, you are not just saying words, you are reinforcing beliefs that shape your perception of yourself and the world around you. Your thoughts and words are incredibly powerful, and they hold the ability to direct your energy and focus toward what you truly desire. Start by realizing that you are not a victim of your circumstances. The life you have right now is a result of the beliefs you've held, often subconsciously, up until this moment. To change your life, you must change your beliefs, and one of the most effective ways to do this is through the power of affirmations. When you repeat these affirmations with conviction, you reprogram your mind, shifting it toward the reality you want to create. One of the most impactful affirmations you can start with is, "I am worthy of everything I desire." This simple statement, repeated daily, can start to shift your perception of your own worth. Many of us walk around thinking we are not good enough or that we don't deserve the best in life. But the truth is, you are worthy simply because you exist. When you affirm your worthiness, you open yourself up to receiving more. You invite abundance, love, success, and joy into your life. Another powerful affirmation is, "I am in control of my thoughts and emotions." This is an affirmation that reminds you that you are not a passive participant in your life. You have the power to choose how you respond to situations and how you think about yourself and others. This is incredibly empowering because it places the responsibility in your hands. You control your reactions, your emotions, and ultimately, your reality. Repeating this affirmation can help you regain your power and transform the way you experience life. Let's take a moment to talk about one more key affirmation: "I am aligned with my highest purpose." This affirmation helps you tap into your inner guidance, directing your thoughts and actions towards what truly matters. We often get distracted by external factors, whether it's the opinions of others or societal expectations. But when you affirm that you are aligned with your highest purpose, you reconnect with your true self and start to attract the opportunities and experiences that align with your soul's desires. These affirmations are not magic, but they do have the power to shift your energy. The more consistently you repeat them, the more they become ingrained in your subconscious mind. This, in turn, begins to influence your behavior and the way you see the world. It's important to note that repetition is key. Just like any habit, the more you practice, the more natural it becomes. You are reprogramming your mind, and it's a gradual process that requires patience and persistence. As you continue to affirm these statements, you may start to notice subtle shifts in your life. You may feel more confident, more open to opportunities, or more at peace with yourself. These changes are not to be dismissed. They are the first signs that the affirmations are working, that your thoughts are aligning with the reality you wish to create. It's crucial to note that affirmations are not about pretending to be something you're not. They are about aligning your thoughts and beliefs with your deepest desires. If you don't believe these affirmations at first, that's okay. The key is to keep repeating them, even if you don't feel them at first. As you continue, you'll begin to internalize the truth of the words you speak. Over time, these affirmations will become a natural part of your mindset, and the reality they create will start to unfold. You may be wondering, how long do I need to do this? The answer is simple: as long as it takes. Some people experience changes after a few weeks, while others may take longer. But the important thing is that you continue. As you consistently affirm your worth, your power, and your alignment with your highest purpose, you are planting seeds that will eventually blossom into the life you desire. In the process of repeating these affirmations, be patient with yourself. There will be moments when you feel like nothing is changing, but trust that the process is working behind the scenes. The more you invest in these affirmations, the more you align yourself with the life you are meant to lead. Your thoughts will begin to shift, your beliefs will transform, and your world will start to change. To truly harness the power of affirmations, it's essential to speak them with belief. They are not just words, They are declarations of your truth. When you speak to them, speak with the conviction that they are already true. Believe in the power of your words, and watch as the world around you starts to shift. If you want to experience life differently, it starts with your thoughts. Your thoughts create your reality, and the words you use reflect those thoughts. Repeating these affirmations will not only help you change your mindset but also change your life. The more you affirm these truths, the more you will see the universe respond to your energy. You might be wondering why some people seem to have everything they desire while others are constantly struggling. The key difference lies in the way they think and the beliefs they hold about themselves and the world. When you change your mindset, you change the way you see the world, and, as a result, you start attracting what you truly want. This is where the power of affirmations comes into play. By consistently repeating positive, empowering statements, you are aligning your thoughts with your desires, slowly but surely shifting your reality. The beauty of affirmations is their simplicity. You don't need to complicate things. The more straightforward and genuine your affirmations are, the more powerful they become. You don't need to make grand, sweeping changes overnight. Start small. Begin with a few affirmations that resonate with you and repeat them throughout the day. The more you repeat them, the more natural they will become, and the more they will start influencing your thoughts, feelings, and actions. Affirmations don't just change your mindset, they change your emotional state. When you repeatedly affirm positive beliefs about yourself, you create a shift in your emotions. Negative emotions, such as doubt or fear, begin to fade away as your self-belief and confidence grow. Over time, you will notice that you handle challenges more effectively, and your reactions to external situations are much more grounded and balanced. This emotional shift is one of the most profound results of using affirmations. Another powerful aspect of affirmations is that they help you take ownership of your life. When you repeat empowering statements, you are telling yourself that you are in control. You are not a passive observer of your life, but an active participant. You create your reality through your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. By repeating these affirmations, you remind yourself of this powerful truth. You are the creator of your experience, and you hold the key to shaping your destiny. It's important to note that affirmations work best when you align them with your core values. For example, if financial abundance is one of your goals, an affirmation like, "I am worthy of abundance and prosperity," is an excellent choice. But if love and relationships are your focus, affirmations like, "I am open to giving and receiving love," will help shift your mindset in that direction. Tailor your affirmations to match the areas of your life where you want to see the most change. The more specific and personal they are, the more effective they will be. In addition, it's crucial to speak your affirmations with confidence and conviction. The energy behind your words is just as important as the words themselves. When you speak with belief, your words gain power. This doesn't mean you have to feel 100% confident at the beginning, but speak with the conviction that these affirmations are part of the process of shifting your life for the better. As you continue to repeat them, your belief in their truth will grow, and the results will follow. So, start today. Choose your affirmations, speak them with conviction, and watch as your life begins to transform. You are worthy of everything you desire, and by speaking these affirmations, you are aligning yourself with the reality that reflects your deepest desires. In closing, understand that the power is within you. The life you want is waiting for you, and the first step is as simple as changing the way you think. Repeating these affirmations will change your life, but only if you believe in their power. Start today, and trust that the transformation is already on its way.